Welcome back to another vlog. So today gusto kong mag-makeup because I wanna feel pretty. Gusto kong mag-GGSS and gusto kong mag-picture para sa IG. So tara, mag-makeup tayo. So hawiin lang natin ang ating buhok and maglalagay ako ng primer. Nakapag-moisturize na ako ay naglagay ng sunscreen. Itong Laura Mercier foundation primer yung gagamitin ko for today. And, diba? Start na agad. Huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Yung gagawin ko palang makeup today is yung makeup na lagi kong ginagawa kapag umaalis or if I wanna feel pretty. Like, very simple lang, very chill, very kayang gawin sa sasakyan. So, for my foundation, or in this case, it's a cushion, ito yung ginagamit ko, si Superface Lights Camera Action. Ayan siya. Yung shade ko is 01 Light, and it matches my skin perfectly. I've been using this for, I think, almost 2 months now. And super duper ganda niya, baby. As in, I'm so in love with it. Super ganda ng coverage for a cushion foundation. Yung shades niya is also very good. It caters to like Filipina skin tones, pero hindi talaga yung dark skin tones, so or deep skin tones. And I also like it kasi it's made in Korea. Maganda talaga yun. And meron siyang SPF, nasan ba? Basta meron tong SPF 50, I believe. PA+++, ganon. The product itself is really nice. Magaan sa face. It's thin, pero maganda yung coverage niya. And it's pretty long-lasting for someone who has oily skin like me. Okay, so, grabe na. Ang dal-dal ko. Tapos, mesh cushion yung tawag sa kanya because mesh yung nandyan. Hindi siya yung regular na cushion foundation na like foam yung nandyan. So, yes. Ayan, kuha lang tayo. And, lagay na natin siya sa ating face. And as you can see, meron akong mga pimples and redness and whatnot. Pero I'm not really going to cover everything na yung gagawin ko siyang pakak na foundation. Kasi nakamask naman din, so no need. Kamusta kayo dyan, baby girls? How has your day been? Ang akin, okay lang. Okay lang naman. Same as usual. But I've been breaking out a lot lately. Especially dito, sa aking chin. Like yung cystic acne, nakakaloka. So, tinry ko na simplifying my my skincare routine. So, yung ginagamit ko na lang is Dr. Wong's Sulfur Soap. And, I'm still using my niacinamide serum from Bilena. And, gumagamit ako ng, well, actually, yun lang. And then, Spot Correct, or yung nilalagay ko sa acne ko, is just Bioderm. So, very, very simple lang talaga. I've been doing it for the past week, I believe. Diba, super bilis lang gamitin itong cushion na to. So, I really, really like it. And the finish is so pretty, as in, kung hindi ka siguro oily skin, you can leave it like this and wag ka nang mag-powder. Pero, hindi kasi siya malagkit. And, it's so lightweight. And, kahit nagmamask ako, hindi siya yung grabe mag-transfer. Okay. And then, let's use concealer for these dark under eyes. And, magsa-spot conceal din ako with concealer. This is the Self Beauty Glam Up Concealer. Ano bang shade nito? 02 ang shade niya. And it's also made in Korea para maging kamukha natin yung mga pinapanood natin sa mga teleserye or Korean novela. So, konti lang. Yan lang. Simplihan lang natin. Gagamitin ko rin yung same puff na included dun sa cushion foundation natin. Diba? Para wala nang marami pang tools na lalabhan. Ito na ang ipang-blend natin. Huwag na tayong gumamit ng iba pa. Kayo kasi, naghahanap pa kayo ng iba. Meron namang perfectly good na nakalaan para sa'yo. Huwag ka na maghanap ng iba. Ikaw naman. Hugot. No ha, hindi ako naghuhugot. I'm perfectly happy. By the way, gumawa ako ng kanina. Gumawa ako ng, kahapon pala, kagabi. Yung nauuso sa Instagram na true or false. And I'm so happy na may mga nagpadala ng questions. Kasi, naano talaga ako dyan. Parang, baka wala magpadala ng question. Baka mapahiya lang ako. Nagtanong-tanong ka, naghingi ka ng question, tapos wala namang nagbigay ng questions. Next, for powder, my favorite is the Madeca 21. Ang ganda nito. It has like anti-acne or anti-redness properties. So that's good because, you know, I have a lot of redness. And set lang natin ang ating under eyes. And actually, I use this to set my entire face already. Ayan. And I also really like this powder kasi it's really good para sa oily skin. Like, ang ganda ng oil control niya. And super cute pa ng packaging. Oh. It has its puff right here and may divider siya sa puff and sa powder. Plus, it's very finely milled, so very velvety smooth. Tignan yung face mo. Let's move on sa ating the rest of our face products. So, I'm going to use itong Zoeva The Basic Moment Blush Palette. Ayun siya. Binili ko to as a birthday gift for myself. Pero hindi ko siya masyadong nagagamit. So, gamitin natin. Ayan, meron na siyang contour, blush, and highlight. Pero lately, I haven't been using that much contour. Pero today, why not? Kasi diba, bakit ako magko-contour? Naka-mask naman ako. Diba? Hindi naman makikita ng mga tao na ganyan yung mukha ko. Or na siopaw yung mukha ko. So, giver na lang sa contour. Actually, madalas kapag lumalabas, hindi na ako nagme-makeup. Kayo ba, babes? Nagme-makeup rin ba kayo kapag lumalabas? By the way, may pinanood ako sa Netflix kanina. Kaya medyo natagalan akong gumawa ng video. Ano yung title niya? White Tiger. Ang ganda, in fairness. Ang ganda niya, babes. Medyo, ano nga lang siya, medyo mahaba na movie compared to your usual, like, hour-and-a-half movie. Medyo mahaba siya. Pero maganda. Yan, na-contour my nose a bit. Blush. I load up the blush kasi light lang yung kulay ng blush na to eh. And gusto ko pakak yung blush ko. Kasi diba, mabilis lang nag-fade yung blush natin. I always use like one brush for everything. Powder, blush, contour, highlighter. Isang brush lang para hindi nakakapagod maglaba. Ganda ng highlighter niya, no? Marami din kasi ako nilalagay. Tapos, fluffy brush pa. Glowy ka, girl. And sa nose. Wow, these are some strong brows today. So, hindi na ako nagsalita, no, while doing my brows kasi mahirap. Meron nga pala ako na-receive na bagong eyeshadow. So, gusto ko siyang gamitin today. This is from Etude House Milky Play Color Eyes in Banana Milk. Kasi meron din tong blueberry and what was the other one? The other one was more of like berry or pinky shades. So, ito yung pinili ko, yung banana. And ganito yung itsura ng palette. So cute! Ang ganda! I like it. Tapos may protective paper sa loob. And ito yung shades niya, baby girls. Ang gaganda! Diba? Mixture of matte and shimmer. I'm so excited! Matagal na ako hindi nag-eyeshadow. So, excited ako dito. Okay. First shade that I wanna try is ito siya. Gagamitin ko siyang transition shade. Powdery nga lang siya, oh. See? The powder kick up. Usually, yung mga Korean, grabe pala yung kilay ko dito, may monobrow, needs to be plucked na pala. Anyway, ayun na nga. Try natin if pigmented. Usually sa mga Korean brand, eyeshadows, hindi sila pigmented eh. Yung links ng itong mga gagamitin ko, baby gels, will be in the description box below. Okay. Yung shade na yon is kailangan ng second dot-dot. Yun naman talaga yung mga Korean palettes. Hindi sila ganun ka-pigmented. Unlike yung mga Western brands. Tapos, mostly ng mga Korean makeup, mga konting shades lang yung ginagamit. Tsaka, mostly dito sa eyelid lang nakafocus yung eyeshadow. So, I'm gonna try to do a similar look. Parang Korean inspired. Try natin itong medyo darker brown color na matte pa rin. Powdery din siya. And, lalagay ko naman to dito lang sa may outer third. Swipe natin konti dito sa crease for a little bit more definition. So, even though hindi ganun ka-pigmented yung eyeshadows dito, baby gels, they blend easily, like very easy to blend lang sila. The shades are really nice, perfect for every day. And kahit na powdery siya on the pan, hindi naman siya nagpa-fall out when I apply it on my eyes. So that's good. By the way, kung may naririnig kayong parang tubig-tubig, andito kasi yung aquarium, so pasensya na kung naririnig nyo yun. For our lids, ito na lang gagamitin ko. This one right here. Yung shimmer shade naman, wala siya masyadong powder kick up. Like, walang fallout. Or no. Hindi siya ganun ka-powdery. Then, I'm gonna put... Wow! Oh, it's so nice. Hindi pa yan basa, ha? Uy, I love it! Ang ganda! Ay, ang ganda ng glitter shade. Oh, parang yung ano ko, na-feel ko sa kanya is parang naglagay ako nung mga glitter eyeliner. Ganun yung look na nakukuha. Na nakikita sa camera kung gano'n siya kaganda. Yung ganda ng glitters ng palette na to. Pa, Korean na nakajay. Ang ganda. I wanna try using my fingertip kasi baka mas maganda pa siya. Yes, mas maganda siya kapag fingertip. Ay! Ang ganda niya. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Uy, ang pretty. Can you see? Nakakatuwa. Then, sa inner corners, ito yung gagamitin ko, yung nasa center. Maglalagay lang ako ng konti nung dark brown sa aking ito, lower lash line. Sa outer part lang. Maglalagay na ako ng setting spray ngayon. By the way, this setting spray is nirefill ko lang siya. Pero yung laman niya is yung Maybelline Masterfix. So, while waiting for that to dry, let's move on to my lips. So, since Korean, magli-lip tint lang ako, gagamitin ko tong Saemmul Real Tint in 01. This is from the Saem. Maglalagay din ako ng konting gloss. Itong Vice Cosmetics X and Clutz. Okay, and since tapos na ako sa aking eyeshadow, maglalagay ako ng brow gel. Itong Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara yung gagamitin ko para magmukhang feathery ang brows. Galit na galit. Let's use itong Vice X and Clutz na eyeliner. in the shade Intenz Black. Magta-tightline lang ako with this one. Bilena na off-white para sa aking lower waterline. To open up my eyes. Okay, and then mag-eyeliner tayo, liquid eyeliner. This one is the Key Long-Lasting Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Double Black. Ganda ng packaging niya, baby girls. Look at that. So chic and classy. Diba? Ang ganda. And may roller ball siya sa loob para ma-shake mo yung product. Ganito yung tip niya, baby girls. Ayan. Mag-try nga tayo dito. Ooh! Ang ganda! Black na black. And brush tip siya. Ay, hindi pala. Felt tip siya. Felt tip na eyeliner. So, it's good for beginners. And super haba nung felt tip niya. Since Korean, wag masyado yung wing. Chill na wing lang. Maganda siya kasi basang-basa. And super black. Tapos, matte siya. So, I like that. Okay siya. It's a yes for me. And also, madali lang natutuyo yung liner na to. Like, hindi nagdo-double line for me. So, I like it. A+. I like it. Ayan. So, finally, napantay ko na rin ang aking eyeliner. Kaloka. Now, it's time to curl my lashes and do mascara. Mascara I'm using is Heroine Make Volume and Curl Mascara. And the look is complete. Oh, diba? Bongga ba? How do you like it, girls? Annyeong! Oppa! I'm a Oppa! Oh, just shit! GGSS na sad ko, guys. Basta maka-makeup lagi. GGSS jud yun. O, diba? Very, simple na tignan. Pero, inabot ka pala ng 1 oras para gawin itong makeup look na to. Pero, it's all worth it kasi you feel so good, confident, and GGSS after. Yan yung ating pagpaganda moment for today. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin today. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Like this video kung nag-enjoy ka. And share mo na if you like to your friends. Also, if you have other video requests, please leave them in the comment section below. And I will do them as soon as I can. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. Once again, I love you. Mwah!